What's up, it's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video I'm going to show you this really awesome plugin on Luminar. So we're just going to begin by importing an image, and I'm just going to scroll through and select this image of my brother overlooking the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Once that's imported, you want to go over to the Add Filters button on the right and scroll all the way down to the Utility tab and select By Color Toning. In By Color Toning, you will see the amount slider, and if we pull this up to 100%, you can see this effect in action. But we want to go ahead and we want to customize this. So on the top color, we're going to change this to red. We'll go to the opposite side of the color wheel. That's blue, so we'll change the bottom color to blue. And there you go, you can kind of see this effect in action. Now, if we press the set orientation button, then we can see we're presented with these three lines, and we can move these up and down. And this is basically going to give us the option to customize where this effect is going to take place in the frame. Now, this shot is a little bit underexposed, so in order to properly see this effect, I just need to add a little bit of exposure. So we'll go into the Develop tab, and we're just going to pull the exposure up just a small amount. And once I've correctly exposed this image, I'm going to go back down into By Color Toning. And if we go into the top color, I'm just going to go through and select a few different colors, and instantly you will see how powerful this effect is. This is a really simple and a really easy to use plugin from Luminar, but it's really powerful. And if you use this in a creative way, then you can create some incredible images with this effect. And that's it. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I will see you next time for the next video. Thank you for watching.